Hi there, students. Paramour. A paramour. I think the easiest synonym for this word is a lover, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a mistress, an inamorata. Okay, so a paramour. A paramour is the person that you are having a romantic relationship, a sexual relationship, but you're not married to them. Yeah, you could call your husband or your wife my paramour, but it does suggest that you're not married. Now, there are lots of little bits of nuance to this word paramour. Let's see, paramour has the nuance that this is an illicit lover. So, a married lady and her paramour, or a married man and his paramour. Okay, so it's suggesting that this is the person that you are in love with, that you're having a relationship with, but you're not married to them. Okay, so my paramour. I went for a rendezvous with my paramour. I took my paramour away with me for the weekend. Yeah, so a paramour, a lover, but especially the illicit partner of somebody who's married. Yeah, your extramarital boyfriend, your extramarital girlfriend. So your mistress, your boyfriend, your beloved, your paramour. He is my paramour. Um, okay, so normally your paramour is secret. Yeah, if you are kissing and making out with your paramour in public, then people are going to be surprised. Your fancy man, yeah, so a paramour. Um, Notice this word comes from French, par amour. Well, firstly you could have a paramour for love's sake, but par amour, for love's sake, for the sake of love. This is the person you have a relationship for because you are in love with them. Yeah. Okay. So this is why this person is your paramour. It's your. It's not the person you're married to, but certainly somebody you are in love with. So I have to find a somewhere private to go with my paramour. Yeah. Okay. Her mysterious paramour. Um, her husband suspected a paramour, but he could never believe it. Um, okay, the protestations of the husband saying that he had no paramour. Yeah. So a beau, a lover, a sweetheart, a swain, an inamorato or inamorata, your darling, your lover, yeah, your main squeeze, your lady love, your toy boy, your loved one. Yeah, this is the idea of a paramour. Casanova and his paramours. Um, Okay, so let's see. This word, it's a bit old-fashioned. It's a bit literary. It's a bit formal, but it could sound really romantic. If you call your lover your paramour, it sounds very romantic and it is good. It's probably a good word to use. So let's see. 6.5 informality, used in a semi-formal conversation or in a private conversation, in a semi-formal or formal writing. And as I said, this comes from French par amour, for the sake of love. And okay, that's why you have a relationship, because you're in love with them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Paramour.